Hello y'all, it's me, it's the N.D.T show. And you know what time it is? Folks, it is time to go here in the gem mine here, located in the heart of Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We'll do a little gemming. Let's see if we can find some gold. Let's take a peek at these mines. You want to?
The shadows were dancing on the building's golden light when the sunset glowed. Bustling streets and busy traffic, walking hand in hand on our way.
There you go, now,
hold on, let him finish his singing.
The roads were drawn like something certain. Every turn laid out so clear. Felt like love, looked like forever, but I fear we had a paper town.
Bring it up, bring it up.
Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon.
What is that? That is a rock.
Bright blue skies, you were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper town. This paper town. The streets don't feel like home.
What is that?
now.
Dig down in there, deep.
All the colors
Dig down
fade,
deep.
so
Whoa,
we
that's a big one,
turn
boy.
to gray.
Oh, what is that?
And I
Piece of
thought
gold.
we had it figured out, but it's just another town we left for a day. The lights we
what is
chased
that?
have all been broken. Every path disappeared. Felt like love, looked like forever, but
We've got a bag of rocks.
we had a paper town. Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper town. This paper town. This paper town.
We got more
This
rocks.
paper town. This paper town. Maybe we were built to guide something, drawn in lines that fade too fast. I swore this town would pull us in, but nothing here was made to last. We had a paper town. Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper town.
Oh,
This
look at that.
paper
That is what we're going to do. Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
paper town.
That's an arrowhead.
This paper town.
Oh yeah, chicken has one back here. We got a war. We got this clear one. It's like a pistol. We got this spotted one. We got this purplish, pinkish color. We got another white one. We got a goldish, brownish color. We got a greenish color. I don't know what color. And then we got brown and this color. What animal is that though? What kind of animal is that? You don't know? Let me get it. I bet you I can guess. I have it. Looks like. I got something in there. I think I got gold.
She thinks she's got gold.
I just put it in this clean. I can tell. Yep, it's fine. Let's start with the first ones, okay? So there's that. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. Got another tooth.
Another tooth.
This is a
Another
tooth.
tooth.
And the last.
What is that?
This. Looks fake. I think I love that.
Hey, baby, hey, baby.
Something's going down. 5 crazy cowboys heading into town. One's got funny looking boots and a hat way too big. That crazy cowboy, he's riding on a pig. Better get the sheriff, something's going down. 5 crazy cowboys heading into town. One's got diamond rings and a big old chain, thinking he's the cat's meow. That crazy cowboy, oh, he's riding on a cow. Better get the sheriff, something's going down. 5 crazy cowboys heading into town. Now one is singing out of tune, not hitting a note. That crazy cowboy is riding on the goat. 5 crazy cowboys, oh, they're crazy running wild. 5 crazy cowboys, oh, you better run and hide. Better get the sheriff, something's going down. 5 crazy cowboys heading into town. Now one is backwards, upside down, howling at the moon. That crazy cowboy, he's riding on a raccoon. Better get the sheriff, something's going down. 5 crazy cowboys heading into town. One's dressed up as Santa Claus, way up in the air. That crazy cowboy, he's riding on a reindeer. 5 crazy cowboys, oh, they're crazy running wild. 5 crazy cowboys, now you better run and hide. 5 crazy cowboys, oh, they're dancing, running wild. 5 crazy cowboys, better run and hide.
Now, folks, here at the gemstone mining here, we just got done getting some things. They showed you, they explained what everything you got in the buckets, the emeralds, the jewels and whatnot. They explain everything to you, give you a little pamphlet. They even turn it into a ring or a jewel or anything. They can take all that stuff and make.
I got a N.D.T.
She got a N.D.T, whatever that is. I don't even know what that is.
And I'm getting a British machine.
But they can turn everything into whatever you want, like rings and stuff like that, and put all the emeralds found, teeth, shark teeth, anything they put on the ring, or making some sort of jewelry, bracelet, or anything like that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We'll catch you on the next episode from N.D.T. Show out there where I'm gonna be. Good morning, good day, good night. Thanks y'all for watching that exciting episode of the